They're just gone.
No se tienen que agarrar. No los tienen que agarrar, Eli.
Look at her.
Romeo's like, I'm not getting
She
into
will
this.
fight me too. She's a savage.
Look at this one. Look at me. This one is like sticking my finger and look at me. Mom, look at this one.
Look at him.
No, Romeo. Scout.
Scout's all up on her.
Oh my gosh, Tiny. He's
Let me
so
see, Melody.
cute.
Oh my God, I'm so low.
He doesn't want to leave me. What the heck?
Oreo's
big ass.
adorable. She's so fat.
Stop letting
She has a
the
big
kid-
butt.
Look you. You were eating hot
Oreo.
Cheetos with that.
Hi, baby.
¿Vistes? She jumped.
What a fat ass. Look at Romeo. He does not care. He does not fuck with anybody. Look.
Wait, he's looking at them like,
You know what I'm doing right now? I'm so tired.
Oh my god.
What?
Mom, look at Scout and Tiny.
Scout and Tiny are gonna have to live forever.
And
Mira,
Tyson.
Dori, tú. Anthony, eat it all. Get over
Look
here.
at her ass.
Please leave him alone.
Yeah.
See, look, they